Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where simplicity meets deliciousness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy our content. Today, we're embracing the beauty of minimalism in cooking. Less is indeed more, and we're proving it with a refreshing butternut salad. Made with just 3 ingredients, it's the easiest, tastiest salad you'll ever make. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of minimalist cooking with our easy-peasy butternut salad. Our recipe today boasts of just 3 ingredients, each bursting with their unique flavors. First up, we have a medium-sized butternut, freshly peeled and grated, ready to take the center stage. Next, we bring in the sweetness with a can of crushed pineapple, precisely 432 grams. And for the grand finale, a packet of peach jelly, adding that extra zing. And there you have it, 3 ingredients, 1 amazing salad awaiting to be made. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to put them all together. This is where the magic happens, folks. The method for this refreshing butternut salad is as simple as it gets, embodying the true essence of minimalist cooking. First off, let's tackle that can of crushed pineapple. We're going to drain it, keeping the sweet, tangy juice aside for other culinary adventures. Now, add this pineapple to your freshly grated butternut. The tropical sweetness of the pineapple beautifully complements the earthy flavors of the butternut, creating a melody of taste that's simply delightful. Next up, we have our packet of peach jelly. Now you might be thinking, peach jelly in a salad? But trust me, it's a match made in minimalist heaven. The jelly adds a touch of sweetness and a unique texture that elevates this salad to a whole new level. So go ahead, don't be shy, sprinkle that peach jelly into the mix. Now here comes the fun part. Mixing it all together. Get in there and give it a good stir, making sure that every strand of butternut is coated with pineapple and peach goodness. And voila! Your refreshing butternut salad is ready to be devoured. Remember, the longer it rests, the more the flavors intensify. So give it an overnight rest in the fridge before you serve it at your next meal or braai. And that's how you make the easiest, most refreshing butternut salad you'll ever come across. This recipe truly embodies the beauty of minimalist cooking. With just 3 ingredients, you've created a dish that's simple, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. So why not give it a try? Let the magic of minimalism transform your kitchen. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. That's all for today, folks. Remember to subscribe and like our video if you've enjoyed today's content, and until next time, happy minimalist cooking!